ก็ฮัลโหลอังกฤษมองมอง go to cancel practice speaking English มอง myself till 7 2026 Why am I doing myself to practice speaking in English and Hmong? Because when I came and live in the United States of America or USA, I don't remember well, but not over a year. I worked at company as an employee or worker. So yesterday and today, I decided to myself practice speaking in English and Hmong. I apologize if any my mistakes, because when I speak in English, my wife told me that she don't really understand what I say. That's why I decide, okay? So this myself, learning myself, speaking, practice myself, okay? Now will be translate in Hmong, okay? yo hao lu mong le na tập phun gì na vì lẽ chang của tu khen cha lẽ tan tỏ cỡ hà lô hú lô Anh Kít hát lu mong vì hà ta thầu của tàu to hát nhỏ hú the United States of America Loyal USA. Cô chính cho cá rong ta sĩ chỉ tàu thlau ý dòng sư. Cô tới tàu mong or hậu lự companies lo loyal company loyal or ý tù nên or hậu lự mà dọc worker mấy cả hà lên đó lùm bò hô hà ta ý tù lúc cháng nó dọc employee nó dọc lùm mấy cả hà ta employee lùm máu hà ta ý tù nên or hậu lự lùm bò hô hà ta lúc cháng giờ lên nằm mò ha nu nô của cha lê cha chỉ sa lô cờ hà lô nhỏ hồ Anh Kít ha lô mong của thoát chỉ lần đầu giờ ta của hà có từ chỉ dò ta chỉ của cha chỉ sa lô cờ practice hà lô mong ha Anh Kít lên nó vì cho khó của hà lô Anh Kít của tôi có bố nữ chỉ tao chỉ của cha là do tao cỡ vì của xã ta của tôi có bố ná của hà lô Anh Kít nữ tôi chỉ tao ná nữ tôi do tôi báo lô Anh Kít rong ta chỉ của hà lô Anh Kít nữ chỉ báo rong nữ chỉ chạy tao ta หรือตัวต้นเองเราใช้ป้อยอยู่ที่ป้อยจงห้านู่นน่ะเจียอเล่นแต่กูทะเลจากจิชาลูกับชิวฮาลูอังกฤษกูตกปูนี่เต้าน่ะเจียจอดกูตกปูเกินหนึ่งเจ๋งโมลุชัดและชาจงอันนี้ค่ากูฮัตตากูฮาลูอังกฤษนี่ชิเต้าห้ายอเล่นแต่กูทะเลจากจิชาลูฮาลูอังกฤษก็ฮาลูอังกฤษน่ะไอ้กูชิวซะจะพูดยาเล่นแต่ทำไมจากจิปอดกูหายาขอตึกหาจิยาโอเคyeah for my practicing speaking in English this why my thank you so much to my wife she has honest to told me that she don't understand my English when I speaking English she don't really understand That's why I have to decide to practice speaking English myself to improve my speaking better. Okay? So any mistakes I apologize or in Hmong English or in Hmong ถอแม่จังจิปุตกูหาเนาะโอเคถอแม่จังจิปุตกูตัวลีเนาะโอเคยาตากูหาเขาติจิยอนั่นโอเคแล้วยาตากูหาเขาติชาเขาติเกลอถอจังจิปุตกูเนาะโอเค Yeah I practice any mistake I want apologize okay I apologize okay or ลุงเมามาแต่แม่จังสิพวกกูเนาะจะพูดยอลุงไม่กล้ามา apologize นู่นน่ะโอเคไอ้จังสิพวกกูน่ะจะพูดอย่างนั้น Yep I will try to practice myself many days as I can to improve my English Yeah กูอยากฮาโลอังกฤษดันตอกูมอกจอหูโนแลกขอคือกูก็เตาน่ะจะพูดอย่างนั้นอจอ Yeah thank you very much everyone come learn with me today ไม่สุดเลยจอนเตาคือไม่สุดเลยจริงลูกกับจูกูนูโนฮาอจอAny comment, any pronunciation concern, anything like that. Anything you're concerned about speaking, writing, or grammar, or anything you see on a video, you heard or see on a video, and what I wrote, you can comment below to like I have to like I see and I know how to change and how to learn okay so my practicing I start yesterday and today and the future so I don't know how to